Hey Jason, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the honor of speaking with Shannon, who thought you might possibly be interested in this video. So today I want to go over a few things that you guys can apply right away to help you with your online presence and start getting more of those organic leads. The first thing we need to talk about is that 70% of your organics stem from your website. So it's going to be really important that you get your website optimized so you can capture that traffic and convert those into customers. As you can see, we're on your website. The first thing I notice is your website is not secure. So you need to go get your SSL certificate and get your website secured because otherwise your website could be hacked. It could be taken over. You could have issues with your brand and it could cost you thousands of dollars down the line to try and get it repaired and get your image back. So definitely take care of that first. Okay, so you have a nice looking website and you have separate pages for each of your services, which is exactly what you need. Now, I'm not familiar with the east side of Nebraska. I used to live in the Panhandle. So if you're servicing outside of Kearney, you're going to need separate pages for each of those communities that you service if there's any type of search volume. That way you can be found in each of those locations. Um, let's see, I'm not seeing any keyword usage here. And I'm not really seeing much for content. So, Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage or more if your competitors have more. That's content that is focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of your company and they may not care in an emergency. They're going to be looking for the first company that can get to their property and handle their emergency. So it's going to be very important you dial in this content and keyword strategy. And you're going to have to do similar for each of your service pages. Make sure you're using the relevant keywords for your service area and for each of these keywords so you can drive traffic and get those customers that are searching for you. Google does not rank a website based on appearance, unfortunately. They have robots called crawlers that index each of these pages looking for unique content so that they can pull that content and keywords and then they rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers when they're doing a search. Believe it or not, Crystal Clean Carpet Care is your top organic competitor when it comes to water damage restoration. Realistically, in Kearney, you really don't have a whole lot of tough competition online, so it's going to be fairly easy to beat most of these competitors with the same strategies. So, um, we're on their website. They have a terrible website. They don't have separate pages for all their services. They're attempting to focus on keywords, but this is what is considered a national keyword because there's no location attached to it. And that's it. There's really not any content to be ranking for. So they're just magically happening through organics because of this national keyword that they have on their site. So in order to beat these guys, it's going to be very simple and it's just going to be more content throughout your website focused on those location-based buyer intent keywords. That'll be the very first step. The next part is your search engine optimization. This is a program called Ahrefs. It helps to analyze how your website performs. As you can see, you have a rating of a 0.9 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website, which is 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have 132, yet a poor score, which tells you that a lot of these links are either poor quality, spam, no follows, or just completely unrelated to your industry. So while you do need a lot of backlinks, you need to get the right type of backlinks because they are not created equal. You need high authority backlinks. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. And you need more backlinks and better quality backlinks than your top competitors in each of your service areas. This also shows that all your backlinks are going to your home page, which can help get your home page to rank, but it's not going to help find you for your services or for keywords. You currently have 0 keywords indexed and you're getting 0 traffic to your website. When we look at your competitor, like I said, they don't have a great site. They only have a 1.6 with 83 backlinks. So you need not just more backlinks, but better quality backlinks than they have. But they have been indexed for 41 keywords, and so they're getting about 9 people on average per month. So you guys are missing out on quite a bit of actual traffic by not having your websites optimized. By working on your content, keywords, and backlink strategy, you'll be able to drive that traffic and get those customers. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant the website is to your services, the more authority and power it's going to give you to help you to rank. And then it's also important that you're linking these backlinks with your keywords so that you can rank for your keywords and be found for those services in each of your service areas. And the last thing is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. It is important to be in the top 3 of this section, which you are for this search term. But for each of your relevant keywords in each of your service areas, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not in the top 3, you send all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in this section, there are several factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Dex, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and in your service areas with those keywords. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.